Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of self-sufficiency in small space gardens. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a modest patio, or just a corner of your yard, we've got 5 awesome tips to help you thrive and become a self-sufficient gardening champ. Let's jump right in. Maximize vertical space. Instead of sprawling out horizontally, think vertically. Use trellises, hanging baskets, and wall-mounted planters to make the most of your limited space. Not only does this add a touch of green to your walls, but it also frees up precious ground space for other plants or activities. Plus, climbing plants like tomatoes, beans, and cucumbers love reaching for the sky. Choose the right plants. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to small space gardening. Opt for compact varieties or those that can be trained to grow vertically. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley thrive in pots and add flavor to your meals. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are perfect for small spaces and offer a continuous harvest. And don't forget about dwarf fruit trees or bush varieties of fruits like strawberries and blueberries. They're big on flavor, but small on space. Practice companion planting. Here's a gardening secret for you. Certain plants make great companions, helping each other grow stronger and healthier. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can deter pests, while basil can improve the flavor of tomatoes and repel insects. Carrots and radishes also make great companions, with radishes breaking up the soil for carrots to grow more easily. By practicing companion planting, you not only save space, but also create a harmonious garden ecosystem. Embrace container gardening. Containers are a small space gardener's best friend. From pots and planters to recycled containers like old buckets or crates, the options are endless. Just make sure your containers have proper drainage and are the right size for your plants. Mix and match different sizes and heights to create visual interest. And don't forget to use quality potting mix for optimal plant growth. Container gardening opens up possibilities for growing herbs, vegetables, flowers, and even small fruit trees right on your doorstep. Implement smart watering techniques. Water is essential for plant growth, especially in small space gardens where resources can be limited. Opt for drip irrigation systems or self-watering containers to conserve water and ensure your plants stay hydrated. Mulching around plants helps retain moisture and reduce evaporation, while watering early in the morning or late in the evening minimizes water loss due to heat and wind. Get to know your plant's water needs and adjust your watering schedule accordingly for a thriving, self-sufficient garden.